Good morning. It's kind of a gloomy morning today. I am up in Bellingham, Washington for a day pretty much. I came in last night, hung out with our friend Tina, got some food, stayed at her house, and then this morning going to get some breakfast. So we'll see what the day brings. Gonna go to the new Ninja gym up here, but I'm really sore, so I don't know how much I'll train today. So let's get into it. Oh man. I just got a small, which is 2 pancakes, and they were that big. That ended up being only $8.60 for that whole breakfast, so that was a solid breakfast. I feel sick, I ate so much. And now I gotta wait 3 hours till I can go to the Ninja gym, because open gym is not till 1, so we'll see, but let's go adventure. And I don't even know what there is to do right now, so I'm just gonna go on an adventure.
Well, that's what I've heard.
So just got done at the Ninja gym. I came back, showered, and now we're gonna head out to a Conrad Anker talk. I'm excited. Me and Tina and a couple other people are going. This guy's been keeping me company here, but it's been a good time in Bellingham so far, and I'm pretty tired after that Ninja session. So that's probably it for the vlog. I'm gonna bring just a cell phone to the talk tonight, and I'll record some on there, and I might spice it in after this, but if not, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll talk to you later.